Hey, what's up YouTube? It's B3 the Innovator, and I'm just coming at you with a little video about my Frigidaire dryer. This was a dryer I picked up that didn't work at all. I took the shell off of it, cleaned it, vacuumed it, and I got the drum aligned, and it started working great. The other day, I got a little bit scared because my dryer stopped working. And what was actually happening, I thought maybe it was something internal that was bigger, but what was actually happening is the knob on the back, if you can see here, has started to split from that plastic. And these knobs have a metal insert, so this insert couldn't stay in anymore. And what was happening is it was giving it slack on this dial. So whenever I wanted to align it perfectly, it wouldn't align up. And sometimes it would align up to where it wouldn't start on these stop points. So I was a little bit freaked out. But this being a free dryer, I didn't want to get rid of it. So instead of epoxying this, I found a new knob for $7 on eBay. It's got the metal insert all in there, nice new plastic. This dryer had actually sat out in the sun, but everything's the same. And when this was sitting in the sun, it broke down this plastic. You can tell how it's all off colored and everything. So I'm gonna throw this new one on there. But I mean, $7 piece. I like how it's got the black indicator instead of the blue indicator. And exactly the same, guys. So I was just showing you, $7, real easy fix. These are good dryers. This one kicks butt. It's the Frigidaire Heavy Duty. And for a free dryer, guys, it's incredible. So I'm going to throw the new knob on and then I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, these aren't hard at all to put on. It's all keyed for you. You can't really put it on wrong, so just slap it on like so. And you can just... Sweet, guys. She's looking pretty now. So we got the old knob off, new knob on. We're ready to go. Good old Frigidaire. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just a simple video to show you what was going on with my dryer. Thanks, hope it helps you in some way. Have a good one. Bye-bye.